Hey guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to host and create a free website. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to set up a free website? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Okay, so to begin, open your browser and search for a website called render.com. On Render's homepage, click on Get Started and sign up for an account. If you're asked to authorize Render, do so. You'll need to verify your account via email. This process is very straightforward, just like any other signups. Once you've verified your account, sign in and click on Dashboard in the upper right corner. On your dashboard, click on New and click on Static Site. Then, click on Connect Account. Render will ask for permissions. Choose Select Repositories. Select the repository you'll be using and click Install. On the next page, you'll see that all the repositories that Render has access to, click Connect. The next page will be straightforward. Just give your new website a name, branch, and so on. Afterwards, create static site, and there you have it. It's that simple. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.